So today we will learn another topic from Hidden Line and Hidden Surface chapter. It is fractal geometry. The term fractal has originated from the notion that the dimension can be fraction. The term fractal has become widely associated in graphics with randomly generated curves and surfaces that exhibit a degree of self-similarity. So it is randomly generated and the curve has self-similarity. Fractals are used to provide naturalistic shapes for representing objects such as rugged mountain, grass and fire. See the example. The example is popularly known as von Koch graph. The construction of Koch curve goes as follows. First, start with a single line. Then, divide the line segment in three equal parts and replace the middle part by two segments. See, three equal parts, replace the middle part by two segments forming of an equilateral triangle. See here. Segment length equals to 1 by 3, segment length 1 by 3 and length is 4 by 3 in this way. Take each of these four segments separately. Take each four segments separately and repeat the above procedure. Means here segment length 1 by length and length 16 by 9. Okay. Next, continue the above construction process indefinitely. So, characteristics of this curve. The curve possesses an exact self-similarity. So, self-similarity is one characteristic. Any small portion of the curve is, if magnified, can reproduce exactly the whole curve. From a small portion, we can reproduce the whole curve. Every time taking the result of the previous stage and applying the same construction process on it to produce the new one. By applying the same construction from the taking the result of the previous state and apply the same construction to produce the new curve. In mathematics, this type of process is known as recursive process and is denoted simply by writing xn equals to f xn minus 1. Just take the previous result and get the next curve. Such a process is also known as feedback process since the output of one iteration is used as the input for the next one. So this procedure is called feedback process. Fractal is a self-similar set. In mathematical terms, generation of fractal must involve some similarity transformation function, say T. Fractal is generated by feedback process or recursion. In mathematical term, if x0 is the starting point, fractal is constructed by successive application of t. So what is x1? x1 equals to tx0. So what is x2? x2 equals to tx1. So in place of x1 we can write tx0. So what is x1? x1 equals to t tx0 in this way. Example is Levy's curve, Julius H, etc. So this is the characteristic of fractal. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. This is our assignment number 6. Try to solve all these problems from this chapter and feel free to ask any question. That's all for today. Thank you.